How to earn $3,000 a week with no investment through affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you a technique that's not widely discussed or known, but it can help you generate income regardless of whether you lack financial resources or not. It's interesting that only a few people are using this strategy. Those who are using this technique are now profiting from it. I'll guide you through each step necessary to start earning money through this technique. The beauty of it is that it's a simple copy and paste method. I must clarify that I did not invent this method. Instead, I conducted my own research on various online videos and blogs and combined all of the information I learned to share it all with you in a cohesive set of instructions. All you really have to do is simply copy and paste to earn money. I cannot give you an exact amount of how much money you will make, but based on my experience and that of the people I know who have also successfully followed this method, we are earning at least $1,000 to $3,000 per week. It's pretty incredible, right? The first step is to visit PayPal and create an account. Select the sign up option on PayPal and you can start creating a personal account if you don't have a business account. I won't provide a detailed guide on setting up a PayPal account because the process frequently changes. Instead, please follow the steps provided on the PayPal website and it should be straightforward and easy. Just provide the necessary information and you're good. After creating the PayPal account, go to Google and search for Fiverr CPA. Click on the link that says Commission Plan for Fiverr Affiliates. This technique is based on affiliate marketing, more specifically, cost per action or CPA marketing. However, the best part about this method is that it doesn't require any investment and you can execute it without spending a single dollar. Now, we aren't using Fiverr to sell anything, and we aren't purchasing anything from Fiverr either, so don't get any ideas. Now that we've arrived at Fiverr Affiliates, we must click on the Join Now button and create a Fiverr account. Simply fill out the necessary fields, mark with a red check mark, with your first name, last name, and other relevant information. Once you complete the step, your account will be created instantly. The main goal of this method is to obtain a unique referral link from Fiverr. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Fiverr, you'll receive a commission of at least $15 and potentially up to $150. This explains why some people can make between $1,000 and $3,000 per week using this method. You only need to distribute your referral link, which I'll demonstrate how to do shortly, and then earn a commission of at least $15 whenever someone purchases a service on Fiverr through your link. Even if you promote a service that costs only $5, you'll still earn $15 from it, which is amazing. This is one of the reasons why this method is so effective, particularly if you don't have any initial investment. The process may seem simple on the surface. Someone buys a $5 service and you receive $15, which is 3 times the amount they paid. However, the real challenge lies in implementing the method, and that's where most people struggle. Therefore, I want to provide you with a practical guide on how to execute this method. To access the Fiverr Affiliates dashboard, click on Marketing Tools and then Default and Deep Links. Note that the dashboard may show zeros for impressions and other metrics if it's a new account. From there, you can find the Fiverr CPA link that you can send to people to receive a commission if they buy something. However, if you copy and paste this link, it will just take you to the homepage. To increase your chances of making a sale, you don't want to direct people to the Fiverr homepage. Instead, you would want to send them to a specific page where they can easily make a purchase. If you send them to the homepage, they may get overwhelmed by the numerous options and not end up buying anything. Now, if you search for restaurants on Google, you will see a list of results, and as you can see, there are restaurants that are at the top of the list. This is what all restaurants want, to be on the top page where people search for restaurants in a certain location. Every restaurant wants to appear at the top of this list because the restaurants that appear at the top are more likely to get the business. If you click on more places, you'll find additional options on later pages that aren't ranked as highly. This can be a problem for those businesses as they may not be getting as much traffic. This is where you can come in and offer them a service that can help them get to the top of the list. To find a solution for businesses that are not ranked at the top of a Google search, you can offer them SEO services to improve their ranking. This service is usually not expensive, and you can find affordable options on Fiverr. For example, if you search for SEO Google Maps on Fiverr, you can find service providers that offer this service for as little as $14. You can convince a business owner to buy one of these services and receive a commission through Fiverr's CPA program. For instance, let's choose one seller here with hundreds of positive reviews, most of them 5-star reviews. This indicates that the seller is experienced and has delivered satisfactory work to many customers. The cost of their service is only $36, which is not too expensive for a business owner. Considering the potential revenue they could gain from ranking higher on Google Maps, paying $36 would be a small investment. To obtain the link to the Fiverr service page, you must first copy the link from the Fiverr website. However, you don't want to copy the entire link as it's very long. Instead, you only want to copy the part of the link that redirects the user to the product page. To do this, you need to delete all the text after the question mark in the link. This will leave you with a shorter link that takes you directly to the service page when you paste it into your browser and press enter. You can copy the link from the Fiverr product page and paste it into the affiliate's dashboard. Once you've done that, you'll get a unique link that you can share with others, and when they buy using that link, you'll receive a CPA commission. This is where the money-making aspect comes in. What we're going to do next is send emails to anyone you want to offer your services to. You need to write high-converting emails. There are various videos that will teach you how to write a high-converting email that will persuade people to seek your service. If you're copying them from someone else's email, make sure that you make it your own and don't copy the entirety. Just use it as your reference and use your own words to win people over. To begin, you should mention that you want to make an offer that they can refuse but that you'll attempt to persuade them otherwise. By doing this, you're demonstrating honesty and directness to the recipient. You should also introduce yourself, state your profession or area of expertise, and note how you can help them make more money. Afterwards, you can explain your unique approach, such as helping them rank on page 1 of Google for a specific price. You can then highlight the benefits of this service, such as gaining more clients and making more money. In the case that they're unsatisfied, you can offer to refund their money and provide a free SEO audit. Overall, this offer should appear compelling and irresistible to the recipient. Some of you may have concerns about whether your offering will actually benefit the recipient and may worry about being obligated to provide the refund. That's why, as mentioned earlier, it's highly advised that you look for a provider on Fiverr with a large number of positive reviews. If they have a history of delivering excellent work, it's likely they'll continue to do so in this case too. In fact, if they have more than 500 positive reviews, you can be confident that they'll do a good job again. Don't forget to include the link you got from Fiverr affiliates in the email. Instruct them what to do next once they've accessed the link. One important thing to keep in mind is that you should choose someone you can trust and who has many positive reviews. This will enable you to message them and let them know that you're sending them more people. In doing so, you'll not only earn money, but you'll also ensure that those who pay for the services receive high-quality work. It's important to prioritize quality service so you can continue this for a long time. Make sure that you customize the tagline as you see fit, but the website link and phone number should remain the same for all the emails that you'll be sending to different people. You can choose not to include the link for scheduling a call. The email is simple yet highly effective, and its high conversion rate has been verified. Now, the question is how to find people to whom you can send these emails. I briefly mentioned this earlier in the video, and to find potential recipients for these emails, you can start by searching for restaurants on Google. When you find a restaurant, click on their website and look for their email address. After finding their email address, you can send them the email right away. It's important to remember that the headline of the email is very important. You cannot send the same headline to every business and expect a response. Instead, you should personalize the headline based on the specific business. For example, when you're sending an email to a restaurant, you can use the headline, "Hey, do you do birthdays?" This really worked to get high open rates. I can guarantee that you'll receive a high response rate, possibly even 100%, because what restaurant owner wouldn't open an email with a subject line, "Hey, do you do birthdays?" All of them will likely open it, as they know that they could potentially miss out on significant revenue if they don't respond. This is an excellent example of an email subject line that converts well. So make sure that you know what kind of services each business offers before you send them an email. Think of the best and most suitable headline that will make them open your email. Identify the reward that a business wants. You can search online for the top priority of that specific business. Targeting local businesses is one strategy. Another strategy is to sell the easiest service on Fiverr instead of offering businesses SEO services. You can explore Fiverr and find a service that's easy to sell, such as creating thumbnails. You can then use the same email strategy I just shared to target YouTubers who are gaining popularity and offer them your thumbnail service. Since the service is not expensive, you can still earn a minimum of $15 from your CPA affiliate link. This approach is effective, especially if you have a good sales pitch charge for your $5 service. This is so easy, and if you're a beginner to all of this, you can easily follow the steps. This is more of a side hustle that you can do in your spare time. You better try this, and I assure you that if you do it right, you'll never want to stop doing it. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.